this is Glow and welcome to my first tutorial video in this channel. Today we're gonna crochet a pair of sleeves for a shrug. I crocheted this shrug 10 months ago. Now I wanted to modify it by adding the sleeves and some ribbons. So I explored in the Pinterest to get some inspiration and found this. This is exactly what I want. I already crocheted the body part in this pattern, so I'm gonna do the same for the sleeves. By the way, the mesh shrug pattern is from Chanda. I already crocheted the first sleeve and this is how it looks. For this project we need yarn, a crochet hook, scissors, some ribbons, make a slip knot, chain 71, this is 75 chain because my arms required 75 chains, is that 14.5 inches. Now add more 6 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now make a double crochet on the 6th chain. So 1 2 3 4 5 and this is the 6th chain. Chain 3. Now skip 3 chains from here, 1 2 3, and make a double crochet on the 3rd chain. Like this. Again chain 3, skip 3 chain and make a double crochet. One, two, three, and 1 2 3. Double crochet in the 3rd chain. Now I'm gonna do the last square. Now chain 6. Now turn your work like this and make a double crochet here. Again chain 3, double crochet, this is how it looks like. Continue the same process. I'm done with both the sleeves. Now let's sew them with the body part. You can sew it with a swing needle or simply crochet slip stitch to attach it together. I'm gonna crochet slip stitch to attach it. I'm done with attaching them together. Now let's tie the ribbon. Here I sew like this, where I'm gonna tie the ribbon so it not gonna untie easily. I'm done with tying the ribbon. Now let's try it. It's came out really beautifully. I hope you learned something new from this video, even if a small thing. Thank you for watching and see you next time.